let's walk through how to add the section views for our green roof and then updating the view for our wall on column line 3 if we need to. So we've done a little bit of work inside of our Keystone building design, and one of the things that I want to take a look at is just a setting up of the green roof section view. So in order to make that happen, we probably want to go ahead and go to the green roof level. And up here in our quick access toolbar, I'm going to grab the section view. I'm going to zoom in, and a good spot probably to run this through would be right about here. Now, we'll have to see as far as, how this looks to us, but if I select that section view, right click, and then say go to view, we can go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and change the level of detail over to fine. And usually I like to put like a shaded view on this because it makes it a little easier to kind of see. Our view scale usually set to 1/2 inch equals a foot for a lot of section views. And with our crop region, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this over just a little bit so we can see more of the green roof. But I just want to bring it just below the structural steel framing. So then that way we can kind of bring that in. I can also bring it down a little bit more with the crop region. And then if we need to, bring it in a little bit more too. We can hide that crop region when we're done. The green roof level, I can check the little check mark on this side, uncheck it on this side. I usually like to have them all kind of on the same level and everything there. If I need to pull these out just a little bit more, there's actually a little blue dot here that I can pull, and that way it gives us a little bit more room. I also like on this side, do the same thing, and I can pull these in a little bit more, so then that way they won't interfere with anything. I'm gonna, on the level 2 framing, we'll add an elbow, and just to kind of give this a little bit more room to pull down and to be able to be read. So far, looking pretty good. This little, the grid line here, I'm going to go ahead and bring it up so that way it doesn't cut into anything. And even then, we can bring up the crop region just a small amount. We'll leave the structural steel I-beam showing. And here we can go ahead and start to label the parts of our green roof. So I'm going to go up here, and then you can grab the text tool up in the quick access toolbar, or you can go to the annotate tab and grab it there. We're going to go ahead and do the 2 segment leader, and I'm going to go ahead and just click near the particular material, go out to the side here, click again. We'll put in, this is 3 inches of grass. So I'm just really putting in, and as I look at my next item is my 3 inches of growing media. And you'll see this is just the same list we had when we created the green roof. So again, just clicking to place your leader and then typing in what item that you have. I'm going to hit pause on this video and add in the other elements. When you see at the next point, we'll see what all those elements are. You can always pause it and then use that to help you with this. But we're going to go ahead and do that. And then that way we can see what the full section view should look like. All right, so we've already added in. Again, there's just a lot of repetitive steps there just to continue to click and add the different labels. But this is kind of what we're looking for within a section view for our green roof. And this is going to kind of show what are all the different parts that make this up. All right, with the green roof section view taken care of, you're going to see in this case, this particular section looks like I've got it under a building section. Really what we can do is we can change this more to like a detail view, and we can rename this to be green roof section. And that can be put in on a drawing to be able to showcase. On level 2, we're going to see there are 2 more section views here. I've got one for our main wall. This one here is one that I used, and I got one for the curtain wall. So just to kind of show you, section 2 is going to have the curtain wall details. So pretty basic as far as having some of those details there, just steel mullions and glazing. So for our wall, in this case, on the Keystone building. Section 1, just one thing I want to show you is that my wall kind of changed a little bit. Originally, I had I was playing around with the low slope roof, and then I ended up changing to roof by extrusion. So I had the parapet cap and the soldier course in that wall type. I've since removed those, or I've changed the wall type so it doesn't have those in there. So I will just go ahead and probably update and delete these two items, and then just make sure that all the other items that I have for this wall type are pretty consistent. So as far as that goes, everything else looks pretty good. So just updating, checking those section views is going to be big for your design drawings and details. And this is just kind of finishing up how to take care of a lot of those section views.